Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Jam Tours, Mr. Jam Tours. Up there, up there, up there. Up there, Amesh, up there. Stand up. Up there. Up there, Amesh, up there. Up there, up there, up there. Yeah, family. So, as you know, family, today is the morning time. I normally go for exercise and actually test Miss Jam Tour's skills. So I have a huge challenge for her this morning. And I'm just gonna go out for a drive. Meanwhile I exercise, Miss Jam Tours will be actually learning how to reverse and stuff. So I have a new challenge for her this morning. So I'm gonna show you guys, see if you can master it. So we're gonna test our routes. So Amesh, let's go. Let's go. Up there, up there, up there. Up there, Amesh. Up there, up there. Up there, boy. Up there. Alright, family. Let's go. So I should carry him, right?
Please do. Put him for me in the car.
You know, finish up your smoothie.
How can I finish it? Because I drank water.
So this is Miss Jam Tour smoothie.
And I'm coming to
Baobab, dates and figs for the breastfeeding mom, rich in so much minerals. So I'm gonna go with Amesh. Yeah, family. So let's go. Let's go exercise. In the morning, family, if I don't exercise, I feel cranky. I feel like I cannot go through the day.
Yeah.
So I have to exercise every morning. Put on my exercising shoes. Let's go. Let's go. The sun is out and Miss Jam Tours is about to get the challenge of her life. Challenge of her life. Eh? You'll see. You'll see. Guess this baby will be a driver.
Right? Is that right?
In Sweden?
Yeah.
This baby will be a driver. As with this baby will learn to drive.
Oh, yeah. You would be a driver in a car soon. Quick.
Yeah, family. So I'm gonna hand the baby over to Miss Jam Tours
As you take out your run.
while I run all the way up top there. All the way.
Put him for me in the chair.
Just take him and put him, sweetie.
Alright.
Just pull it back so you have enough space.
Come, baby boy.
Go Jam, go Amish.
Tell bye.
Alright, family, let's go. See that maybe I'm gonna give you the camera to bring with you while I run, right? Alright, let me just go with it and done. Alright, family, let's go. Jam Tours. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, family, so that Miss Jam Tour is coming. This is her challenge that she cannot make this challenge. But let's see if she can master it on her second try. It's this curve right here, where she keep having a problem with. Ah, you can't make it, you can't make it, you can't make it. Go back and come back. So she failed for me, she failed. You have to start take it from early, she's going back. Yeah, I found this is a challenge now, as somebody want to come in. I have to go around. Sweetie, come this side. Yeah, pull back and come this side. Let's go back and come here, yeah, so she can pass. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam is gonna do it by herself. You said this corner messing you up?
Yes, I'm sure it was a straight line I can pass, but I have to take a challenge.
Yeah, because
But
you
I'm
have...
coming fine. But when I get here, this is where everything is going.
Alright, go and try it by yourself now. Let's see if you can do it. You can pass this side. You just straighten up and go straight down.
And the challenge is that I keep left.
No, sweetie, you don't keep. Well, it depends. If something is coming, you give them way. Well, let's go up there and come back. Take the bend and come around and let's see. Yeah, family. So it's a Saturday and Miss Jam Tours is actually driving out in style now. As you can see, she's driving out in style.
Who is that?
As you can see, she's driving out in style with no fear.
As you can see.
Driving out. Guys, we did too much in this.
That's what I'm saying. It's like I'm stuck there. I noticed. That it's because
Amesh in a Ghana jersey. He's a Ghana boy today. A Ghana boy. My Ghana boy. He's a Ghana boy? Yes, he's a Ghana boy. Yes, he's a Ghana boy. Yes, he's a Ghana boy. Ghana boy? 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 Yeah, family, so this Jam Tours is driving so good.
cute.
She have
That
no
bus
problem.
is not normally so high.
She have no problem.
Yeah. Okay,
She have no problem coming to the front by herself now.
Nah.
You see, you get it now.
Yes. Catching it.
Catching it.
Showing the man behind me that.
Yes. In the office, what we do there,
This one.
yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours made it out very safe.
Safe and
Safe and sound.
yes. When it was only one wedding car. Maybe that was the last one.
Whoa, 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 Amesh. Miss Jam Tours is driving. Your mother driving? Yes, your son be driving, right? Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. 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 Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Alright, family, continue watching the vlog while we go. It's a Saturday. Going on a few errands, Saturday errands. Continue watching while we go. Yeah, family, so we actually going to fill our gas. Our gas pan is finished, and this is what, at 13 kgs.
Yeah.
This is a 13 kgs family, and we're going to actually fill this gas at a total. As you know, family, you know what I mean. As I was saying to myself, all of these outside company come and take over Africa. Total. There should be African-Kenyan gas company. Yeah, but these people, they're all over the world and they don't have the resources to create the product. Yeah, family, so we're going to fill this gas. It's a total gas. Miss Jam Tours is on the wheels and steels.
As always.
Yeah.
As always. This boy still harms speaking. Wow, the bottles are so many.
Yeah, the bottles are for recycling. Don't panic.
I have to take a sharp corner. Is that a panic? Or I have no steam?
Ba. Ba. Ba Amesh. Ba. Ba ba. Da da. Yeah, family, so continue watching the vlog while we go.
At least so that I don't mess up.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And we just get back from the market. Miss Jam Tours says she wanna park the car. She wanna park the car reversing. And it's a sticky situation because we have one car here, we have two cars there, and she have to park there. So we're gonna see how she can make it.
Let me look at my
I'm not telling her nothing. I wanna see if she can make it.
Until I have to use 2 hands. Now,
So what we're gonna do?
and it's tight.
It's tight.
Oh, I didn't know the car is climbed up and hit
Without gas.
the way you entered.
So which way you're going?
I need to go that way. Yeah, man.
You manage, you sure? That's where she's going, family. That's where she's going. Go on, Miss Jam Tours. Keep up.
I don't know.
Wow, Miss Jam Tours, you fit it in.
How was that?
That was good.
So they are good.
How you feel?
Awesome.
Yeah?
So in the morning I was made to panic. I feel nice. At least I've managed.
Yeah. Good job.
Thank you to you
Good
for
job.
being a good teacher. This one is the one you've not taught me. To return this one like this inside.
Return it. Use this to return it. Yeah, just pull it out like that.
And then when I'm leaving, I just pull it. Okay. Nice. I'll be using those ones at the time. From that one. From that one.
It is not really a parking spot for you to do that because
Yeah, I'll be
it's
doing
not like there's a tight parking spot.
Yeah.
Don't do that when there's a lot of parking like in
Oh, so
Aga
that
Khan.
oh yeah, so that
When there's a tight car, somebody will pass and hit off the side mirror.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the only time you do that.
You do that.
Yeah.
So I come out.
Yeah.
Have I looked at it well?
Yes, it's alright.
Okay.
Yeah, families, that was Miss Jam Tour's small reversing skills. And she's doing so good. So comment below. Let me know your thoughts. How did she do? How did she do?
Oh, but the wheels are like,
Doesn't matter.
so ready to start.
Yeah. As you can see, guys, the kids are skating. Kids are skating there. Yeah, family. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. And let us know your thoughts. No, sweetie, the wheel is alright.
Okay.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours actually put it in. Put it in. She put it in. She put it in. Oh, you normally straight.
But maybe it's because I was entering in that.
Okay. Okay.
These are,
Guys, you're fussy.
why would I
Leave people business alone and mind your own.
You know we are going to look at way out there.
Look at the kids I'm doing today.
And they are on top.
Yeah, they throw the thing. So today